Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, which is from geography, and the name of the chapter is latitudes and longitudes. So let's start the chapter. Now first, what is latitudes? Latitude is considered as the angular distance north or south of an equator measured from center of the earth. It is considered as a distance from north to south from the equator. Now what is equator? Equator is considered as an imaginary line which divides the planet into two equal halves. It divides the planet into two equal halves, like equator in the earth divides it into northern and the southern hemisphere. Now in this figure, this is the latitudes. You can see that at center we have drawn the equator at 0 degree and the 2 points, north pole and south pole. In both the poles you have lines of different imaginary lines of different angle. Now what are poles? Poles are 2 points on the earth through which imaginary axis passes. These are the 2 points through which these imaginary axes pass through. And you can see that at these lines of various latitudes, these are always parallel to each other. That's why these lines at the north pole and the south pole, these are known as parallel of latitude. Length of the parallels becomes shorter towards the pole. एज पर द फिगर, जैसे आप देखोगे कि जब वो इमेजिनरी लाइन इक्वेटर के पास है तो वो इंक्रीज हो रही है, लेकिन जब वो इक्वेटर से दूर जा रही है, मतलब टुवर्ड्स पोल की तरफ आ रही है, तो इट स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग. सो पोल्स आर कंसीडर्ड एज द टू मेन पॉइंट्स ऑन द ग्लोब एंड इक्वेटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लाइन ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. ऑन द ग्लोब इक्वेटर इज कंसीडर्ड एज द लॉन्गेस्ट लाइन विच डिवाइड्स इट इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ्स और टू इक्वल पॉइंट्स. Now we have important parallels of latitudes. Here I have drawn the figure in which you can see that North Pole, South Pole, Equator and the other lines like Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn, Antarctic Circle at various degrees. So firstly we start with the equator. Equator, it divides Earth into two equal halves, that is Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. You line at 0 degree we have the imaginary line known as equator, which divides into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere at north pole and south pole. Now we have Tropic of Capricorn, another imaginary line which lies in the southern hemisphere at an angular distance of 23 degree half south. From the equator it lies towards the south. Then Tropic of Cancer, it lies in the northern hemisphere at an angular distance of 23 half degree north. Then Arctic Circle, it also lies in the northern hemisphere at 66 half degree north from the equator. At last we have Antarctic Circle. It lies towards the southern hemisphere at 66 half degree south. So these are the important parallels of latitudes which complete this latitude portion. Here we have the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. And you've seen that they have the different degree angles according to their position from the equator. So latitudes divide the earth into different heat zones and gives us idea about the temperature of a place. Latitudes play a very important role in determining the temperature conditions of a place. What type of temperature or climatic conditions persist in a particular area or place. We can also find out distance of a place from equator. इक्वेटर से किसी पर्टिकुलर जगह कितना डिस्टेंस है हम वो भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. लाइक 1 लैटिट्यूड इज इक्वल टू 111 किलोमीटर. सो ऑन दैट बेसिस वी डिटरमाइन कि इक्वेटर से ये एरिया जो है कितने किलोमीटर दूर है. इक्वेटर ऑन द पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स इट हेल्प अस टू शो द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ अ प्लेस. इक्वेटर से हम ये डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स कि उस पर्टिकुलर जगह की एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन और प्लेस कौन सी है. इट ऑल्सो gives us the brief description of the location, distance and the temperature conditions of. So now we are going to discuss about heat zones of the world. The globe is divided into different heat zones on the basis of parallels of latitudes. In this figure you have also seen that we have discussed about South Pole, North Pole, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Now in these various imaginary lines there are certain zones which describes the temperature or climatic conditions of the particular area. So let's discuss them one by one. Firstly, we have hot or torrid zone. It lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. You see that Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, there is a zone known as the torrid zone. In this zone, the sun rays falls vertically or slanting way on the earth, considered as the hottest zone of the world. The areas which lies in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, or the areas in the torrid zone, considered as the most hottest area of the world. Next, we have moderate or temperate zone. It lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. North temperate zone between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. South temperate zone between Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn. These are the temperate zones where the climatic condition is neither too hot nor too cold. It describes a moderate climatic type of conditions found in this zone. Third, we have cold or frigid zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. In the figure, you see that frigid zone between South Pole and Arctic Circle, North frigid zone between Arctic Circle and North Pole. These are the coldest places of the world or coldest zone of the world. As you see that जैसे जैसे एरिया जो है इक्वेटर से दूर जाता जाएगा, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस जो है लेस वार्म होती जाएंगी. जो एरियाज इक्वेटर के पास आते हैं कंसीडर एज द हॉटेस्ट जोन. देन वी हैव द मॉडरेट विच away from equator, and at last which far away from the equator or the areas near the pole considered as the coldest zone. So in this we discussed about the latitudes. What are latitudes? The distance of a place north or south of the equator is measured at latitude. Whenever we calculate the distance of a place as per the south, north or south from the equator, tells us about the latitude. In next video we are going to discuss about the longitude.